If Chrome keeps signing you into your browser automatically every time you log into Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive, this quick fix is going to help. In this video, I'm showing you how to stop Chrome from signing you into your Google account automatically so you can keep better control over your browser sign-in and sync settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where the setting is controlled, so make sure you're using the Chrome profile you want to change. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, double check that you're in the right one before continuing. Now look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all the browser settings and privacy options. From the list, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click You and Google. This section is where Chrome keeps the options related to your Google account, browser sync, and sign-in behavior. Next, click Sync and Google Services. This is the area that controls how Chrome interacts with your Google account across the browser. Now scroll through the available options until you find Allow Chrome Sign-In. This is the setting that lets Chrome automatically sign you into the browser whenever you sign into a Google website like Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive. If you want to stop that automatic browser sign-in, simply turn Allow Chrome Sign-In off. As soon as you disable it, Chrome will stop automatically signing you into the browser when you log into Google services. That means you can still use Google websites, but Chrome won't quietly connect your browser session to your Google account in the same way. This is especially useful if you share a computer, use separate browser profiles, or just want more privacy and control. If you ever want to turn the feature back on, just come back to the same place and switch Allow Chrome Sign-In back on again. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how Chrome handles your account. And that's it. You've now stopped Chrome from signing you into your Google account automatically. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.